Agroecology is an approach to agriculture that seeks to integrate ecological principles into farming practices to create sustainable and resilient food systems. It emphasizes the importance of working with nature rather than against it, promoting biodiversity, soil health, and the well-being of farming communities. The importance of agroecology in sustainable food systems can be understood through various key principles and contributions. Key principles of agroecology. Biodiversity conservation. Agroecology promotes diverse farming systems that mimic natural ecosystems. Biodiversity in crops, livestock, and other organisms contributes to ecosystem resilience and helps control pests and diseases. Soil health and conservation. Practices such as cover cropping, crop rotation, and minimal tillage are central to agroecology. These practices improve soil structure, enhance fertility, and reduce erosion, leading to sustainable and productive agriculture. Water conservation. Agroecological approaches prioritize water conservation through efficient irrigation practices, rainwater harvesting, and the preservation of water ecosystems. This helps address water scarcity issues in agriculture. Resilience to climate change. Agroecological systems are designed to be more resilient to climate change. Diverse cropping systems and agroforestry practices, for example, can help buffer against extreme weather events and changing climate conditions. Local knowledge and innovation. Agroecology values local knowledge and farmer-led innovations. It recognizes the importance of traditional farming practices and encourages farmers to actively participate in decision-making and experimentation. Reduced dependency on external inputs. Agroecological systems aim to reduce reliance on external inputs like synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. Instead, they emphasize the use of organic matter, crop rotations, and natural predators to manage pests and enhance soil fertility. Social equity and fair labor practices. Agroecology promotes social equity by emphasizing fair wages, labor rights, and community involvement. It supports small-scale farmers, indigenous communities, and local food systems. Economic viability for farmers. Agroecology seeks to enhance the economic viability of farming by reducing input costs and improving yields over the long term. By diversifying crops and income sources, farmers can build more resilient and sustainable livelihoods. Importance in sustainable food systems. Environmental sustainability. Agroecological practices contribute to environmental sustainability by minimizing negative impacts on ecosystems. This includes reducing chemical pollution, conserving water, and protecting biodiversity. Food security and resilience. Agroecology supports food security by enhancing the resilience of food systems. Diverse cropping systems and local food production contribute to a more secure and adaptable food supply, especially in the face of climate change. Healthier diets. Agroecology promotes diverse and nutritious diets by encouraging the cultivation of a wide range of crops. This diversity not only supports human health but also helps prevent the over-reliance on a few staple crops. Reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Practices such as agroforestry and cover cropping in agroecological systems can contribute to the sequestration of carbon in the soil, helping mitigate climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions from agriculture. Preservation of agrobiodiversity. Agroecology contributes to the preservation of agrobiodiversity by promoting traditional and locally adapted crop varieties. This helps maintain genetic diversity and resilience in the face of changing environmental conditions. Cultural and social benefits. Agroecology recognizes and values local cultures and traditions related to agriculture. It fosters a connection between communities and their food systems, promoting cultural diversity and local identity. Reduced dependency on external inputs. Agroecological practices reduce the environmental and economic costs associated with the use of synthetic inputs, contributing to the overall sustainability of agriculture. Community empowerment. Agroecology empowers local communities by involving farmers in decision-making processes, encouraging knowledge sharing, and fostering community-led initiatives. This builds social capital and strengthens community resilience. In summary, Agroecology plays a crucial role in developing sustainable and resilient food systems that prioritize environmental health, social equity, and economic viability. By integrating ecological principles into agricultural practices, agroecology offers a holistic and long-term approach to address the challenges facing global food production.